Welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of capturing stunning aerial shots or just want to experience the thrill of flying a drone without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget drones for 2025, drones that deliver incredible performance, amazing features, and won't break the bank. And don't worry, I've included links to each drone down in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Rise Teao. This little powerhouse is perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who just wants to have fun. Designed to impress, this foldable mini drone combines cutting-edge features and user-friendly controls, making it perfect for both beginners and kids who want to explore the skies without limits. Capture breathtaking views with the 2K HD camera, offering crisp photos and smooth live video directly to your smartphone. With real-time FPV transmission, you can enjoy the immersive sensation of soaring above landscapes, events, and family gatherings, capturing memories from a whole new angle. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or just want to share fun moments on social media, this drone's camera quality will not disappoint. The advanced brushless motors provide strong, stable performance and longer lifespan, allowing for quieter flights and greater energy efficiency. Coupled with altitude hold, you can hover steadily for clear photos and smooth video. No more blurry shots or shaky footage. Flying is a breeze with one key takeoff and landing. Just press a button and watch your drone gracefully lift off or return safely. The intuitive controls and built-in safety features make this drone ideal for first-time pilots, while seasoned flyers will love the responsive handling. Add a creative twist to your adventures with gesture selfie mode. Simply wave your hand, and the drone automatically snaps a picture, perfect for group shots and selfies without fumbling for the remote. Show off your piloting skills with 3D flips and rolls, or plot a custom route using Waypoint Fly to create stunning cinematic flyovers. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, you get extended flight time and double the excitement. The foldable design makes it easy to pack, carry, and store. Take it wherever your curiosity leads. Ready for endless fun and unforgettable memories? This feature-packed drone makes every flight an adventure, delivering excitement, creativity, and convenience in one sleek, portable package. Perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who loves to fly. At number 4, say hello to the Holy Stone HS440. Looking for easy controls and great value? The HS440 nails it with its 1080p camera, 20-minute flight time, and cool features like voice and gesture control. Designed for both beginners and young explorers, this versatile drone combines smart features, high-definition video, and effortless control, making it the ultimate choice for anyone ready to take flight. Enjoy crisp, clear visuals with the built-in 1080p Wi-Fi camera that streams real-time video directly to your smartphone. Whether you're recording family events, scenic landscapes, or creative social media content, the HS440 ensures every shot looks stunning. The camera angle is adjustable, so you can easily frame your photos and videos exactly how you want them. Takeoff and landing are a breeze with the one-key operation, while the auto hover feature keeps the drone steady for stable photos and smooth video, even if you're just starting out. The modular battery design not only provides an impressive flight time, but it's also easy to swap and recharge, ensuring your adventures last even longer. What truly sets the HS440 apart are its smart controls. Activate the drone using your voice or a simple hand gesture. Launch, land, snap a selfie, or record a video without ever touching the remote. These intuitive features make flying feel like magic and are perfect for impressing friends or capturing group shots on the go. The HS440's foldable, lightweight design means you can bring it anywhere, while the included carrying case keeps your drone safe and organized during travel. Compact yet robust, this quadcopter is ready for park days, road trips, or backyard adventures. With its blend of advanced technology, user-friendly operation, and thoughtful accessories, the Holy Stone HS440 is more than just a drone. It's your ticket to a new world of creativity, exploration, and fun. Perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike. It's the ideal gift for anyone who loves gadgets or dreams of flying high. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about the Patic Atom SE. This drone is all about smooth flights and sharp images. You get a 4K camera, GPS-assisted features, up to 31 minutes of flight time, and a compact, travel-friendly build. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this lightweight and foldable drone is your passport to explore new horizons without any registration hassles in most regions. Capture every moment in crisp detail with a 4K electronic image stabilization camera, engineered to deliver ultra-clear photos and ultra-smooth video. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes, epic travel vlogs, or family celebrations, the Atom SE's advanced camera ensures your memories are preserved in stunning quality. With a robust 4 kilometers first-person view transmission, you can fly further and see more, live streaming breathtaking views right to your smartphone with minimal lag. Enjoy the freedom of flight with an impressive 62 minutes of total flight time, thanks to 2 long-lasting modular batteries included in the box. More airtime means more chances to discover, create, and capture unforgettable moments. The brushless motor design offers quiet, efficient, and powerful performance, giving you the confidence to soar at speeds up to 16 meters per second. Navigation is made easy with integrated GPS and smart flight features. The Atom SE's auto-return function ensures your drone safely finds its way home at the press of a button or if the battery runs low, giving you peace of mind during every adventure. With altitude hold, precise hovering, and one key takeoff/landing, even first-time pilots will feel like pros. The foldable, travel-friendly design lets you slip the drone into any bag, ready for your next spontaneous adventure. Its durable build and intuitive controls make it a perfect gift for tech enthusiasts, travelers, and aspiring aerial photographers. Runner-up on our list is the DJI Mini 2 SE. And wow, does this one impress? Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 2 SE is packed with features you'd expect from much pricier models. A 2.7K camera, 31 minutes of flight time, GPS precision, and amazing wind resistance. Weighing under 249 grams, this ultralight marvel slips easily into any backpack or pocket, making it the perfect travel companion for spontaneous adventures, vacations, and epic everyday moments. The highlight of the DJI Mini 4K is its crystal-clear 4K UHD camera, mounted on a precise 3-axis gimbal for beautifully stable footage and sharp, vibrant photos. Whether you're capturing sunset beaches, bustling cityscapes, or family fun from above, every frame is smooth and cinematic, even in windy conditions. Take your social media to new heights or create professional quality content with ease. With a 10 kilometers video transmission range, you'll experience freedom like never before. Fly further and see more with rock-solid connectivity, while the live HD feed keeps you in control of every shot. Intelligent flight features, like auto return to home, precise hovering, and one-tap takeoff/landing, make piloting the Mini 4K simple, safe, and fun, even if you're brand new to drones. Wind resistance technology ensures steady performance and reliable control, so you can focus on creativity rather than worry about the breeze. The included intelligent battery delivers up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge, giving you more opportunities to explore and capture without constant pit stops. Compact yet powerful, the DJI Mini 4K is ideal for travelers, vloggers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to experience the world from a breathtaking new angle. The foldable design is perfect for life on the go, while the user-friendly controls make every flight an absolute joy. Take your storytelling to the skies and unlock a world of possibilities with the DJI Mini 4K. Wherever life takes you, this drone is ready to help you capture every adventure in stunning detail. Your journey to cinematic flying begins here. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1, it's the Ruko F11GM2. This drone delivers jaw-dropping value for money. You get a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage, a whopping 56 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, smart GPS features, and advanced return-to-home safety. Designed with advanced technology and robust build quality, this professional quadcopter is your gateway to capturing the world from a new and stunning perspective. At the heart of the F11GM2 is its state-of-the-art 4K camera, enhanced with a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization. This combination ensures every shot, whether it's panoramic landscapes, dynamic city views, or action-packed events, is rendered in crisp, vivid detail and buttery smooth stability. Capture ultra-clear photos and cinematic videos ready to impress on any screen. With an impressive 64 minutes of total flight time, thanks to 2 high-capacity batteries, you get double the airtime to explore, create, and record without interruption. Take off with confidence, knowing the F11GM2's GPS auto-return feature brings your drone safely back home if the battery runs low, signal weakens, or you simply press a button. What truly sets the Ruko F11GM2 apart is its incredible 16,404-foot digital video transmission range. Experience real-time, high-definition video streaming from vast distances, making it perfect for capturing remote scenes, wide-open landscapes, and every adventure in between. Worried about windy conditions? The F11GM2's Level 6 wind resistance means it remains stable and responsive, even when the weather isn't perfect. The durable design, powerful motors, and intelligent flight controls ensure smooth, safe flying for both experienced pilots and motivated beginners. Compact and foldable, this drone is ready to go wherever your next journey takes you. It's ideal for travel, outdoor exploration, professional videography, and unforgettable family moments. Unlock your creative potential and experience professional-grade flying with the Ruko F11GM2. So there you have it, the top 5 best budget drones for 2025. Which one would you fly first? Drop your pick in the comments, and let us know what kind of drone videos you'd like to see next. All the links to these awesome drones are waiting for you down below, so go check them out, and happy flying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech reviews and gadget guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.